Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss important concepts from the topic structure of atom. We are going to study atom and subatomic particles, atomic number and mass number, isotopes, isobars, isotones, and isodiaphers. Let us begin with the definition of an atom. The smallest particle of an element which cannot be further divided into smaller particles and which can take part in chemical reaction is called as an atom. Atom may or may not have free existence. It is the smallest particle of an element that retains the chemical properties of the element. Atoms are electrically neutral with positively charged nucleus that binds one or more electrons in motion around it. Subatomic particles. Each atom consists a certain number of particles called subatomic particles. These are protons, electrons, neutrons, positrons, neutrino, antiproton, gravitation, photon, V particle, kappa meson, pi meson, zeta meson, and tattoo meson. Out of all these subatomic particles, most important particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. In an atom, neutrons and protons are located in the nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain orbits. Important characteristics of subatomic particles. Electron was discovered by William Crookes and J.J. Thomson during the study of cathode rays in a gas discharge tube, also known as Crookes tube. Proton was discovered during the study of canal rays by Goldstein in 1886. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered neutron by the bombardment of alpha particle on beryllium. Electron, it is denoted by the symbol E. It has unit negative charge. Absolute charge on electron is negative 1.6022 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Mass of an electron is 9.10939 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilograms. Proton, it is denoted by the symbol P. It has unit positive charge. Absolute charge on proton is positive 1.6022 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Mass of proton is 1.67262 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms. Neutron, it is denoted by the symbol N. It is chargeless. Mass of neutron is 1.67493 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms. Atomic number, it is denoted by the letter Z. Atomic number of an element is equal to number of unit positive charges or number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom. Since an atom as a whole is electrically neutral, it possesses an equal number of electrons in space revolving outside the nucleus. Atomic number represents number of protons in the nucleus, number of unit positive charges, number of electrons in the neutral atom. Atomic mass number, it is denoted by the letter A. The elementary particles, protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom are referred as nucleons. Atomic number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Any element X, it is symbolized as X, Z, A, where Z is atomic number, A is atomic mass number. Example, carbon has atomic number 6, atomic mass number 12, number of neutrons present in carbon are 6. Isotopes. Different atoms of the same element having same atomic number but having different mass numbers are known as isotopes of that element. Example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes: hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. Hydrogen contains 1 proton and 1 electron. Deuterium contains 1 proton, 1 neutron, and 1 electron. Tritium contains 1 proton, 2 neutrons, and 1 electron. Characteristics of isotopes. As we know, in the modern periodic table, elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic numbers. Isotopes have same atomic number, therefore isotopes will also have same place in the periodic table. Their electronic configuration, valencies, and oxidation states are identical. Isotopes have identical chemical properties but different physical properties. Isotopes differ in their neutron number. Example, carbon has 2 isotopes, carbon 612 and carbon 614. Carbon 612 has 6 neutrons, carbon 614 has 8 neutrons. Chlorine has 2 isotopes, Cl1735 and Cl1737. Cl1735 has 18 neutrons and Cl1737 has 20 neutrons. Isotopes are separated by physical methods only. Isotope of radioactive element are formed after emission of 1 alpha and 2 beta particles. As we know, during nuclear disintegration, whenever an alpha particle is emitted by the parent nuclei, atomic number decreases by 2 and atomic mass number decreases by 4. Whenever parent element emits a beta particle, atomic number increases by 1 and there is no change in atomic mass number. Example, uranium-92-238 emits an alpha particle, disintegrates to thorium-90-234, which on successive emission of beta particle gives palladium-91-234, which further gives uranium-92-234. So uranium-92-238 is converted to uranium-92-234 by successive emission of 2 beta and 1 alpha particle. Isobars. Different atoms of different elements having different atomic number but having same mass number are known as isobars of each other. Example, argon, potassium, and calcium are isobars of each other. Isobars have different places in the periodic table. Example, lead 80-210, bismuth 83-210 have same atomic mass number but different atomic number. They are isobars of each other and they are placed in a different position in the periodic table. Their electronic configurations, valencies, and oxidation states are different. Isobars differ in their physical as well as chemical properties. Isobars differ in their neutron numbers. Isobars are separated by physical or chemical methods. Isobar of radioactive element are formed by emission of 1 or more beta particles. Example, thorium-90-234 disintegrates to palladium-91-234 by emission of 1 beta particle. Palladium disintegrates to uranium-92-234 by emission of 1 beta particle. In thorium, palladium, and uranium, atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same. Hence, they are isobars of each other. Isotones. Different atoms of different elements which have same number of neutrons but different atomic numbers are called isotones. Example, carbon 614, nitrogen 715 and oxygen 816. They differ in their atomic numbers, they differ in their mass numbers, they differ in their number of electrons and number of protons, but all of them have same number of neutrons, hence they are isotones of each other. Characteristics of isotones. Isotones have different places in the periodic table. Their electronic configuration, valencies and oxidation states are different. Isotones differ in their physical as well as chemical properties. Isotones have same number of neutrons. Isodiaphers. Atoms of different elements which have same value of n minus p are called isodiaphers. The difference between number of neutrons and protons is called isotopic number. Therefore, isodiaphers will have same isotopic number. Example, thorium and uranium. Thorium atomic number is 90, mass number is 234. Uranium atomic number 92, mass number 238. For thorium and uranium, isotopic number, that is n minus p, is equal to 54. Hence, they are isodiaphers of each other. Characteristics of isodiaphers. They have different places in the periodic table. Their electronic configurations, valencies and oxidation states are different. They differ in their physical as well as chemical properties. Isodiaphers have same isotopic number, that is, isodiapher will have same value of n minus p. The daughter nuclide of an alpha decay is an isodiapher of original nucleus. We know during alpha decay, atomic number decreases by 2 units and atomic mass number decreases by 4 units. Let us take an example. Uranium 92-238 gives thorium 90-234 with the emission of alpha particle. For uranium and thorium, isotopic number, that is value of n minus p, is equal to 54. Hence, thorium and uranium is a pair of isodiaphers. Similarly, radon and polonium are isodiaphers of each other. Americium and neptunium are isodiaphers of each other.